In the shadow of the night I walk, whispering in a sea of dark. The echo screams in the dark abyss, but no one listens, no one speaks. Let the lights fade out, the faith is gone. Fear is rising like a storm. A broken world, no one sees, only silence left with me. Oh, in the echo of silence, fragments of truth are lost in the violence. And though the soul still longs to cry, it only finds the void inside. The machines now take control, stealing all we feel, consuming all we know. Cold reflections, steel for skin, hearts forgetting where the fire's been. Let the lights fade out, the faith is gone. Fear is rising like a storm. A broken world, no one sees, only silence left with me. Oh, in the echo of silence, fragments of truth are lost in the violence. And though the soul still longs to cry, it only finds the void inside. The void inside. In the shadow of the night I walk, a whisper lost that never talks. In the shadow of the night I walk, a whisper lost and never talked. Void inside. The machines now take control, stealing all we feel, consuming all we know. Cold reflections, steel for skin, hearts forgetting where the fire has been. The machines now take control, stealing all we